Welcome to this guide on Azure Synapse DevOps integration, where we will walk you through the process of integrating Azure Synapse with DevOps practices to improve collaboration, automation, and efficiency. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. DevOps, on the other hand, is a set of practices that combines software development and operations to improve the speed and quality of software releases. To integrate Azure Synapse with DevOps, you need to set up a few key components. First, create an Azure Synapse workspace and a Git repository, such as Azure DevOps or GitHub, to store your code and track changes. Next, install the Azure Synapse extension for Azure DevOps, which allows you to manage your Synapse resources and pipelines from within Azure DevOps. Once you have set up these components, you can start creating and managing your Azure Synapse resources, such as databases, pipelines, and notebooks. Using Azure DevOps, you can also use Azure DevOps to automate the deployment of your Synapse resources to different environments, such as development, testing, and production. One of the key benefits of integrating Azure Synapse with DevOps is the ability to use continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, pipelines to automate the build, test, and deployment of your Synapse resources. This allows you to quickly and reliably deploy changes to your Synapse workspace, while also ensuring that your resources are properly tested and validated. To create a CI/CD pipeline for Azure Synapse, you need to define a series of tasks that will be executed in sequence. These tasks can include building and deploying your Synapse resources, running tests and validations, and deploying your resources to different environments. Best practices for Azure Synapse DevOps integration include using version control to track changes to your Synapse resources, automating the deployment of your resources using CI/CD pipelines, and using monitoring and logging to track the performance and health of your Synapse workspace. In conclusion, integrating Azure Synapse with DevOps practices can help you improve the speed and quality of your data analytics releases, while also reducing the risk of errors and downtime. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can set up a robust and efficient Azure Synapse DevOps integration that meets your needs and helps you achieve your goals.